Hey guys, in this video I am going to show you how you can fix CapCut template not showing, and I will show you how on iOS and Android, but I'm so sorry I won't give an example directly because my CapCut is back fine, so just skipping the steps. So here we go. So just follow that step for Android. 1. Go to phone setting, select application, find CapCut and select it. Clear cache and data, so set enable all permission and restart. So open the CapCut again. For iOS you can follow the step. Just go to phone setting, select general, select language and region, just country live, go back and select VPN. So tap on add VPN configuration, just select open the CapCut apps, and for the configuration of VPN you can just select up and down. So that's how to fix CapCut template not showing. Once again, I want to apologize for not being exemplified directly. I hope this information will help for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.